Man, I don't think I gotta do too much talking. I mean, golly, y'all see the bike, man. You see it. Y'all see the clouds too. I don't think it's supposed to rain though. It's been raining all week. That's why I better make no videos. I'm waiting for a nice day and stuff. What road? I'm out here by the college, boy. I'll tell y'all what, I'm way too far. I'm way too far to bounce. Oh, it's a cop, look. That's my key to skedaddle, fellas. So, golly, I hope he's probably gonna come right over here too, bro. And the bike not gonna start. I'm trying to see which way he's gonna go. Continue with the ride, y'all. They're doing something with like a plane over here. I was gonna go over there and show y'all, but I see that cop over here. I don't know if I really want to drive faster no more. I'm still gonna do it. I do it for the content. I'm gonna do it. I didn't even see where he could have went. I can't lie. I have no clue where that guy is at. I have no clue where that police officer went. It's probably good for me though. Probably good. Alright, y'all. I'm trying to show y'all from right here. Hopefully y'all can see it from back here. This is why I was looking at it for. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that plane. Dang, I'm not close enough. I thought I was close enough. I'm sorry, y'all. The police is hot back there. I can't get too close. That's a big old plane back there. People waiting to see it take off or something. I don't know. I hear them planes all the time from the crib, but I never knew where they came from. Now I know. I got my answer. The airport. I guess I could have guessed that. I can't remember how I got out here, y'all. Yo, my bike has been making this noise. I don't know what it is. I think it's like, it sounds like the chain rubbing on something, but I can't tell. Like, it don't do it real bad, but like if I give it a lot of gas, like if I full throttle it for like more than, I said like 10 seconds, just start making noise. Start making that noise.
Alright, y'all, finna get in the road, man. Finna get in the road, y'all. Let me position this, let's move. It's such a nice day, y'all. I waited a whole week for this. Cold, man.
Y'all know I always gotta stop when I see some water, man. If y'all haven't figured it out yet, me and my brother and my cousins used to come down here when we was kids, bro. We walk all up and down through here, catching tadpoles and stuff, bro. Crazy times. This water used to be so deep then. It's crazy. We used to jump from right there into the water. Yeah, man. That bench is new. Okay. Okay. All right, man. We back on the bike. Y'all know I gotta stop to look at any water, any body of water I'm looking at. First pool? Okay. Get out of here, man. Get me out of here, man. Get me out of here. I'm just talking.
That lady was on the phone. Oh my God, there's a sheriff right in front of me. I'm about to turn to this people trail right here. Y'all see him? He ain't doing nothing. He don't want no smoke. There's a little dirt trail right here. I was gonna take it through this way. I seen that sheriff. I didn't want to turn and get on it. He think I was trying to run or something. Hey! Come on now. Real nice out here, y'all. There's all kind of trails I didn't realize that we had around the city. Like, bro, I got this bike. And I just be riding it, bro. I find all these trails I've never seen. Like, I've been all up and down these roads, all up and through around the city. And I didn't know half of these trails was around here, bro. Like, where does this go? Okay. Some more water? Let me hear. Some more water for y'all. I know I love water. Look at this plant, man. This one plant. Incredible. Even in the midst of
darkness, bro, there's beauty.
See where this thing go, man. Oh. I guess that wasn't really a trail, bro. Just a little underpass. I thought it was a whole different trail. I need to do some work to this bike, man. It's like, it's quick. It's quick. I mean, like, it pushed 30, but like, I need this thing to go like 50, 55, bro. I'm trying to hit the street for real, you feel me? I'm trying to see a group of bikers and just start riding with them, you feel me? Y'all hear him trying to rev his motorcycle? Like I won't dust him. Like I won't dust that man. Don't ever try to play me. What? Nah, I'm playing. It's all love. I'm letting this thing eat, boy. Let me chill. Let me chill, man. There's somebody running. Somebody coming. Clear the road. Hate riding over here. I thought I was bumping tires or something.
All right, y'all, so this is gonna be the end of the video, but real quick before I wrap it up, I just wanted to talk over some things about this bike, specifically for me, that I just want to get addressed to y'all, because I know like when I'm riding it, it be kind of loud and kind of hard to hear me and stuff. So I just figured I'd make this little piece real quick. I'm gonna start off with the exhaust, man. I seen on YouTube, some dude told me, man, I seen some dude on YouTube, I'm not gonna put him on blast. He told me if I drill a hole right here in the backside of the exhaust, it'll increase horsepower. I'm not entirely sure if that's true or not. What I can tell you is it makes the bike pop more. It makes it a little bit louder. And yeah, it really didn't do nothing. It really didn't do nothing. I can't even find a good angle to show y'all, but I don't even care to show y'all because I wouldn't recommend doing it. Nah, but all jokes aside, don't do that for real. This is a waste of time. This is the throttle. I have a complaint with this, man. Now, this throttle is cool, bro, but like, Come on, bro. You see all this? Y'all probably can't see all the play. Oh, yeah, you can't look. All right, so this is all the way back. All the way back. I mean, y'all see all the play in that thing, bro? And, like, I'm not talking about this, bro. Like, the rubber itself is moving, bro. Like, and it be throwing you off when you're riding, bro. It's not safe, bro. Man, is that it? I loosened up the throttle stop screw a little bit. It's right here. It's right where my finger's at, literally. But yeah, I loosened that up a little bit when I got the bike, and I think that alone gave me like, I'd say probably like 3 miles an hour on top of him. So probably went from like 22 stock, and then I loosened. No, I'm lying. This screw definitely gave me like probably like, look, it went 22 when I got it, and now it goes about 32, 33. So I got 10 horsepower or 10 miles per hour more. But this didn't give me most of it. This screw gave me probably like 4 or 5. But this I did the zip tie. I'm sorry, y'all. This camera work is garbage. I need a light. But I did the zip tie governor removal trick. And that also gave me some horsepower. So, I mean, or some miles per hour. So this thing does go, like I said, it goes 32. But I'm trying to keep up with traffic, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely going to put a 212 Predator. I don't know. Y'all got to give me some recommendations because this is my first time really doing anything like this. So I don't really know, like, the best engines. I've heard the 212s are pretty much just like the stock motors that come on it. So I don't know. Y'all let me know if I should get the 212 or the 224 Predator. I don't know. But regardless, I'm going to get one of them. And this thing going to be swapped by the end of the summer. And yeah, I'm probably going to do like little color accents and all kinds of stuff on it. So, but yeah, man, I just wanted to address some of those things. I know y'all probably wondering what my plans are and stuff like that. I also plan on getting a dirt bike. I'm not going to lie. I wanted a dirt bike. I was literally at a dirt bike dealership, 2 of them the day before I got this, bro. And I didn't know they wanted you to they was trying to have me finance and everything, bro. I don't know. But I couldn't get approved. My credit's not great right now, but we working on it. So I got this. Bought it cash. I'm gonna ride it probably all summer, save up, give me a little dirt bike, man, and start doing content on that, man. I can do content on whatever. Y'all just let me know what y'all want to see, bro. Anything engine related, I got y'all, man. I'm not gonna cap. I love being outside doing stuff like that. So y'all just let me know what y'all want to see, and shoot, I'm gonna do the best I can to make sure y'all see it. Peace.
Chris.